Hello all, this is going to be a review video of the Pettit Odyssey 60 paint that I painted the bottom of the boat with this year. In a nutshell, I was underimpressed with the performance after 6 months in our New England waters, and honestly it didn't really perform much better than other paints that I've used at a third of the price. I figured I'd try to use a more expensive paint with a higher copper content and maybe get better performance out of it. But honestly, the boat came out of the water looking identical to what it was last year. A dramatic amount of hard growth on it, and it still took me an hour to scrape the barnacles off after the slime was power washed off by the boatyard. So that's about it. I just want to keep a short video review. If anyone's had any other paints that they've liked that they boat up here in New England, and you have a strong opinion that it works really well, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.